Hi guys, today we are going to learn how we can downgrade from Windows 11 to Windows 10. First, we will check our available option that Windows provide us by default, that we will get 7 to 10 days limit, through which if we do not like the updated version of the Windows, we can go back to the original one, the which we had previously installed on a machine. So for that, go to settings, go to system, then go to recovery, and you see this go back option that is grayed out. That means we are past the limit which Windows provide, that we cannot go back from the here right now. So we need to perform a clean install. Go to your search engine and type in Windows 10 ISO, and you'll see this site on the very first option. Click on this tool, download now. It will take some time. Meanwhile, we can download Rufus, a third-party software for creating bootable media. Click any of the link, looks fine, close it. Now click on agree. It will take some time. Now choose create installation media, second option. Click on next. Let this remain same. Click on next. We are not going to create bootable media from this particular tool, so we will use Rufus, as I already told. So click on the ISO file, click on next, save it to your desired location. Now click on finish. Now open Rufus. As you see, I'm using 16 GB storage for this one. You can use any storage. It should not be less than 8 GB. Now choose your ISO file, Windows 10 which we downloaded just now, and this should be GPT if your laptop came along with Windows 10 genuine one. Else you can go with MBR. Let all setting remain same. Click on start, click on OK. As you see, it's completed now. You can click and close. Our next step will be to access the BIOS. So every motherboard will have some different function or key to access. You can try with the F2 and F10. I'll post some combinations that you can use in order to access the BIOS. So now I'll proceed with my system. You can follow this. Yeah. Once I saw the logo while it was powering up, I press escape and this menu appeared. Now in the system, I have to go to boot or security, and there we have to disable secure boot. No, not there. The security one. Yeah, there we have to go and click on secure boot. As you see, boot options is already disabled. Now you can save and close BIOS. Once you click power button, I keep pressing escape, so this menu will appear. I have to choose my pen drive, the one I loaded with Windows 10, and press enter. Now you see the loading symbol is appeared. Now click on next. Click on install. Click on accept license and next. Choose custom Windows install. Your Windows installation drive or the location where you want to continue. Click on next. It will take some time. Now click on restart option, and once you click on it, remove the installation media, the pen drive you just. Now we are almost done with the Windows installation, and you can follow along with the video. I'll be on mute. So thank you.
If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'll fight. I swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes